Question is asking what is the value of n if this equation is true. Okay, if this equation is given, NCR formula will be n factorial divided by n minus r the whole factorial into r factorial. So I can write 2n the whole factorial divided by 2n minus 2 the whole factorial into 2 factorial divided by n factorial divided by n minus 2 the whole factorial into what is it? Into 2 factorial. That is equal to 9 by 2. Obviously, you can see that 2 factorial cancels. 2n the whole factorial is not as good as writing 2n the whole factorial is not as good as writing 2 times n factorial. This is wrong. This is wrong. Is it okay? So what you have to do? You have to write like this. So we can say 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 factorial, correct? Divided by 2n minus 2 factorial, of which this term and this term will get cancelled, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial divided by n minus 2 factorial. So n minus 2 factorial will get cancelled. That is equal to 9 by 2. So now I will be left with the 2n into 2n minus 1, 2n into 2n minus 1 divided by n into n minus 1. That is equal to 9 by 2. N cancels. 4 into 2n minus 1, that is equal to 9 times n minus 1. So 8n minus 4, that is equal to 9n minus 9. Minus 4 plus 9, that is equal to 9n minus 8n. So your value of n will be equal to 5. This is the answer to the question.